Boom, what's happening, YouTube? This your boy Jay Townsend. I just want to come real quick with this quick video about Shop Simplio. Yeah, they the truth, nah. Shop Simplio. Like I say, when you get to the point where you're ready to start a building, this is one of the little sweet little trade lines. I think I got them last year, May of last year, which is 2020. I think my credit score was just not getting up about in the, it was about 580, around about 580, 600 when I got this joker right here, when I applied. You know, I'm gonna kind of ride it a little bit because I don't want to give away my account number. Yeah, that's the little virtual card, they'll give you right there. I think for me to start this account here, I think it was $69, bro. I think it was like $69 for me for the yearly subscription. They are the truth. Shop Simplio is the truth. And they, you know what I'm saying, they blessed me. I called and I don't remember the guy's name, but I actually called the company and I was able to talk to either upper management or a really probably slick owner. He was a pretty good guy. Man, I was just getting into the dust of really just trying to build my credit. I think I really want to truly say I was somewhere around about 580, 590. And I ran into these guys. I ran into Shop Simplio. And they ran my credit, I think, took about a few hours for the dude to call me back. They called me back, shot me some emails. And they said, I'll approve. It was pretty quick, bro. It was pretty quick. And man, check out what they approved me for, though. Try to slide over so y'all don't see my account number. Bam, 3,500. That's what they gave you, boy, 3,500. And then the good thing about this company here, once you buy two of their products, once you buy two or more products, they increase your credit limit. So I only bought one thing from them, which was pretty good. It was like a car holder. It was like a phone holder that you put inside the car. It was all right. But what I'm gonna do right now, since they say once I purchase like 2 orders, they gonna increase me. So right now I'm at 3,500. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to buy something, see what they twerking with. I know my subscription, cause you got that yearly one-time subscription, which I think is $69. I think that's coming up in May for me, so it's gonna be worth it, you know, cause I'm looking at $69 for a $3,500 revolving credit limit on your profile. For real. Hey man, this your boy Jay Townsend. I just wanted to go ahead and shoot that to y'all. Yeah, Shop Simplio. Like I said, I ain't trying to give away my my information. It's your boy Jay Townsend. I'm out.